How to install the Houdini 13 harness. Firstly, remove the harness from the packaging and remove the rubber bands holding the folded webbing. Next, locate the top of the harness, which has the two webbing straps that come together to form a V. You'll notice a small metal triangle which is part of the buckle assembly on the end of these straps. The bottom of the chest harness will now be clear. The PVC pad has a single vertical strap with the second part of the buckle. This must be slipped between the vehicle seat cushion and the seat back support, like so. Next, have the user sit on the vehicle seat in position and place the harness over their head. This will now meet the buckle that is slipped through the gap in the back of the seat and meet at the backrest. Next, one by one, take the two waist straps on both sides of the user's body and pass them around behind the vehicle seat and clip together like so. Lock off the webbing with the adjusters, threading the webbing through the buckles and tightening to secure. Ensure they are firmly secured. Now place the neoprene pads on the user's shoulders and fold together, securing in place with the Velcro. These are not mandatory to use, however they do make the harness more comfortable, especially for longer journeys. Very important, lastly, place the vehicle seatbelt on the user over the top of the harness. You are now ready to use the Houdini 13 harness.